Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Simply Charnay, where it's simply me being me. And this week I just wanted to show you how I went from this to this to this, and I got this wonderful braid out that you just saw before. But first, let me just show you what I used to get this hairstyle. I used this curl activator cream from Cantu, and then I used some Jamaican black castor oil. I also used the Eco Styler, the black castor oil version of it. Then I had a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, and then just some clips. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is just make a part in your hair to wear whatever side you want it on. But when I do my braid outs, I just like to have it on the right, and I'm just going to straighten up this part right here. And if you see me looking away from the camera, I'm just looking at the little viewfinder so I can make sure my part's straight. And then after this, I just break my hair apart in 4 sections just to get it out the way. Okay, so now that you have your 4 sections, you're just gonna choose whichever section you want and start braiding off. I'm just gonna start with this back section right here. And I forgot to tell you that you're gonna need like a spray bottle with some water in it, just to make sure you're not combing through like, you know, dry hair, because it's gonna break your ends and stuff. Okay, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and put some of the Cantu cream on there. I just like to use like about this much on a section. Just gonna work that through your sections, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil in it too. Just a decent amount, you know. Then you're just gonna go ahead and with your wide tooth comb and detangle it. Now that I have the section unbraided and combed out, detangled and everything, you're just going to get a little section about like this size. So if you don't know how to do braid, basically like before, we're just gonna still put a little bit of the gel on the section. Then you're going to split the section into 3 parts like this, and you're basically gonna just put each section over one another and basically follow this pattern all the way down like this. And once we get down to about this, have this much left, we're gonna put more gel on the end and take a perm rod. I forgot to tell you guys about these before, but you're just gonna take a perm rod and wrap it around the edge, and you might just need to put a little bit more gel just so it can hold. And you're going to secure it at the bottom, and there you go. I'm back and I have my hair about halfway finished, and I'm just gonna keep on going with the process. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom in one more time to show you guys how to put these rollers in. And like I said, you just want to have a nice little piece to put on the end, enough like so you can curl it, and then you're gonna put the gel on there, and you're gonna make sure it's combed through. So now that it's combed through and with the gel on it, it should look like this. And then you're just going to take one of your rollers and wrap it around the roller and secure it with the little piece. I promise it's easier than it looks, but that's what it looks like. So we're done. So I'm just gonna let this sit overnight, and tomorrow I'll take this out so you guys can see the results. I'm back, and now I'm about to just take down this Braid-Out. Ouch. Okay, yep. So let's see how this looks. So yeah, looks like it's gonna look good so far. Okay, so I'm done, and I'm just gonna use this Jamaican black castor oil to take down my braids. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my fingers and go ahead and take down my hair. And I like to start in the back because my hair in the front tends to be a little temperamental, and the curls don't last as long when I start in the front. Okay, so first off, let me just say that I'm surprised on how good this looked, because like this is like the best braid up I've ever done. And I just wanted to close this video by saying don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you next week. Bye!